Hi guys, welcome back, and this is my fourth video. And in the last video, we made this poster. This was our first attempt to try and make something of all the things that we had learned. What I'm gonna do is, I'm going to make a better and improved version of this poster by showcasing it in a fast time lapse, which I will put at the end of this video. This then brings us to the main question of the day, the $1,000,000 question in my head, which is, so what should I learn next? Should I explore all the tools on the left here? Should I take the full tour of the software, talk about all the things up here and things on the right? I also mentioned about design theory the last time around. Should I stick to that? Should I learn the basic drawing skills? Or should I simply start with drawing all kind of vector designs for which we use Adobe Illustrator, which can include things like, should I go with logos, posters, icons, custom textiles, making infographics, building banners for websites and Instagram, designing brochures, isometric designs, making pixel art, magazine cover designs, game art, and million other things that I can barely think of. What should I do? Please leave a comment below so that I can make a choice with what you think is the best thing to start practicing with. Or else I'll use some sort of common sense and say, let me just start by going first with the tools. And yes, when I learn anything from anywhere at any level, I will always remember to do AI integration in everything that I will learn. And now I'm going to present you with a slightly improved version of what we made in the poster last time around. Hope you would enjoy it. But if you want to skip that, jump to the end of the video where you would be able to click on the next video where I start learning with the tools and start my journey. Goodbye.